Away they go. Boss Pogi from the outside. Domec. Lady Sorrow. Lady Diamond is racing from the outside. Dr. Choice rushing up. Angelic Boys. Let's reconcile them. Banay Banay. Domec by a length and a half, followed by Lady Zorro. Boss Pogi from the outside, running down on the inside is Dr. Choice. Lady Diamond from the outside, Angelic Boys. In between runners is Let's Reconcile and Banay Banay. Rounding the far turn, Domec, Dr. Choice from the outside is Boss Pogi. Lady Diamond moving up from the outside, and Lady Zorro in the middle. Domec, Lady Zorro, Angelic Boys from the outside, Lady Diamond, a long shot from the outside, Dr. Choice down on the inside, and Boss Pogi as they race the final corner. Domec, Lady Diamond is on the outside, Dr. Choice down on the inside, and Angelic Boys, and nearing the finish line, Domec, Angelic Boys, Lady Diamond in the middle, and still Domec, Lady Diamond, a long shot from the outside, moves up, and finally Lady Diamond. Domec, Angelic Boys, Dr. Choice, and Boss Pogi for your Pensafecta.